Hi there, very good evening. You're watching Business Day. I'm Shivani today. Well, on that note, completely out of time on Business Day. Up next, currency call with Manisha Gupta.
Well, thank you so much for that, Shivani. We have seen the Indian rupee trim a bit of gains in the afternoon, tracking the domestic shares market there, and that's the case we have seen in the Asian currencies, which saw a bit of gains coming from South Korea's won and Malaysian ringgit. Well, in case of euro also, we have seen a bit of loss come back for that one as well. Remember, that one was trading at a 2-month highs at around 1.37, but right now slipping below 1.36 is how that one is trading. But let's quickly get in the expert, and Abhishek Goenka, CEO of India Forex Advisors. He joins us in our Mumbai studios right here. Abhishek, hi, welcome to the show. The interest rate hike has been pretty much on the expected lines. Do you see any impact of that on the Indian rupee?
The impact is very much visible, Manisha. The rupee has gone weakened. I think 50 basis point was what probably would have been better, I guess, because the kind of inflation we are seeing right now. And I don't think the RBI will be able to control inflation with 25 basis points because they're simply lagging behind the curve at this point in time. If it leads to further inflation, then the deficit is again going to increase any further. And I guess it's not a great idea as of now. So I think rupee should hit towards 46 half. Maybe in the days to come, maybe 2-3 weeks time, because twice or thrice it's tried to break 70. Now I think it's time that it should break 46 very soon.
All right, Abhishek, it seems to be really doing that. But what are the kind of cues that you have been getting from Europe? Today has been a bad day for that one as well.
I think the data which has come out from the UK, the GDP data has not been very great. Earlier the expectation was that the UK could start increasing interest rates from India. Which I think by this poor data again the expectations have gone down. And I think dollar per se, as discussed last time in the show also, 2011 is going to be for dollar. The kind of growth figures from the earnings, and euro, I think it's more of a short-term picture, which we have seen a rally of 1.37. I think probably US dollar will again start picking up, and look at the growth forecast. It's been amazing. In case of euro, only the bond auction is something which is actually driving the euro higher, which I think should kind of subside for some time now. And I think the good US markets, the good bond yields, if you look at the 2-year yield, which is going up very high as compared to a 10-year yield, so which is showing expectations. Then maybe early January 2012 we might start seeing hike in the interest rates in US. But that's something which is very much probable. So I think US dollar should be kind of strong.
All right, shorting euro, putting money in case of US dollar. But how about the Asian currencies? Because today has been a good day for the ringgit, won, Philippine peso, all of them actually trading 0.3% on the higher side. Would you be putting money on any of them?
See, Asian currencies have always been a good bet. Apart from our own dollar rupee, I think all the Asian currencies are doing extraordinarily well. Talk from yuan, ringgit, won and everything. So I think they have a good growth story, and I think Asian currencies would continue to perform in 2011, I guess.
All right, Abhishek, let you go at that. So that's the view coming in from Abhishek, shorting euro, shorting or buying rather in sense of Indian rupee 46 to 46.5 in coming 2 to 3 weeks is something that you need to keep an eye on. With that, completely out of time on this show, but Business Day is coming up next.